Let's look at problem 18. So in 18 we have non-empty subsets of R square, say y1 to yn, such that y star is summation of elements from each of these sets yi. Okay, so yi are basically sets in subsets of quadrant of Cartesian plane, and you're taking one element from each of these sets. So for example, let's say this is your Cartesian plane. Okay, so this is some set capital Y1, this is some set capital Y2, this is some set capital Y3, this is some set capital Y4, and you are picking points from here. And so let's say this is small y1, this is small y2, this is small y3, and this is small y4. Okay, now when that happens, he's saying that for any p belonging to R square, the non-empty sets, okay, first of all, capital Y star is equals to summation yi. Okay, so you're basically taking individual elements from each of the sets and then you're adding them up. Okay, now given p belonging to R square and non-empty set y belonging to capital R square, let v of p comma y is equals to supremum of p dot y such that y belongs to capital Y. So let's say you are talking about this y, suppose this is your y. Okay, or let me go for a larger y, let's say this is your y. Okay, so for this y set, cap v of y, and for any price vector p, v of p comma y is equals to supremum of p dot y I for all such that yi belongs to capital Y. Okay, so if you assume p to be as your prices, okay, p dot y is basically the expenditure for any bundle yi belonging to the set y, and the supremum of that, which is basically your v, is basically the costliest bundle. Okay, so v of p comma y is nothing but the costliest bundle in your set y. Okay. So he's asking that for every price vector p, small v of p dot y star is how does it relate to summation v of p of yj. So the idea of v of the left hand side, okay, so v of p comma y star this is basically v of since y star is a set obtained by adding all the elements from different sets. So v of p comma y star is basically the maximum expenditure or the costliest bundle in summation set. In summation set, and summation v of p comma yi will be your sum of costliest bundles. So v of p comma yi represents the costliest bundle for each yi, and you are going to add up all the costliest bundles. So here's the thing about cost. Suppose you want to do the maximum possible expenditure. Now one way to do it is either you the way to achieve maximum possible expenditure, okay, which is this thing, is basically take the maximum possible expenditure for each individual. Okay, so take the costliest bundle for each individual. So for any price vector p, for example, this is good y and good x for any individual, and the consumption set of this individual looks like this. Okay, so for any price vector p, the costliest bundle is going to be the one where the one like this, where basically your budget line is tangent to the set. Okay, this is going to be the costliest bundle. Okay, so these are the different expenditure lines. So the expenditure increases outward, so this is the maximum expenditure line. So this is the costliest bundle for any individual when this yi is his consumption set. So either you add everybody's expenditure bundle and maximize that, or you maximize individual people's expenditure and then you add the maximum expenditure. The final answer is going to be the same. Okay, so the costliest bundle of the summation is going to be summation of costliest bundles. So the answer is going to be an equality.